Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Jamaican banana smoothie. Peel ripe bananas and slice them into the blender immediately, then add milk and sweetener. Use a splash of vanilla and a pinch of cinnamon for island flavor and include ice to chill. Blend until silky smooth and pour into chilled glasses. Taste and adjust sweetness, then garnish with a cinnamon dusting and serve with a smile. In this video, I will show how to make a Jamaican banana smoothie. Start by choosing complementary fruits like mango or pineapple to enhance the banana base. Add a spoonful of peanut butter or oats for texture and extra filling power, and a little ginger if you want sharpness. Balance flavors with honey or maple syrup to taste, then blend until creamy. Serve in a tall glass with a straw and enjoy the island-inspired sip. In this video, I will show how to make a Jamaican banana smoothie. Use frozen bananas or add ice cubes to reach your preferred thickness without watering down flavor. Measure liquids carefully and pulse the blender to combine ingredients before finishing on high for smoothness. Taste as you go to tweak sweetness, spice, and texture. Pour into glasses immediately to preserve froth, and consider a small garnish like grated nutmeg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.